nuclear weapon. Prepare yourselves for the sight of something quite majestic. Piloted today by Captain Phil O'Dell, an ex-Royal Air Force Buccaneer and Jaguar pilot, now the Rolls-Royce Chief Co-Pilot. Please welcome Vulcan.
Yeah, light her up.
Taste of that fantastic howl from those massive Olympus engines.
Where is it?
Well, if you want to get the chance of enjoying a fast taxi in 558 with Martin with us, yes, the man that led that Black Buck raid down to Port Stanley, then do go along to the Vulcan, to the Sky, Central Marquee. There are many members of the Trust with us here in Bournemouth this weekend, and get yourself a ticket to take part in that. The second prize is a Spitfire flight in formation with 558. And the third prize, a flight with the Blades in formation with 558. There's also two other prizes, meals at Raymond Blanc's Manoir au Charles Saison, and also an opportunity for a footplate ride on the steam lopez. Let's enjoy the sight and sound of the mighty Vulcan once again.
I know how to play this on the piano.
We've all enjoyed it for so long, so savour this moment, enjoy it. Do give the crew a massive wave. Clap your hands, throw in the air whatever you've got, and I will chat to them later today and pass on Bournemouth's very best wishes to Vulcan.